Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down one of the most important skills in software testing, how to create a test case template and how to calculate test coverage. Let's get started. A well-structured test case ensures your testing is clear, repeatable, and easy for anyone on your team to understand. Here's the standard format of a professional test case template: test case ID, unique identifier like TC01. Test case title, short description of what you're testing. Preconditions, what must be ready before the test starts. Test steps, step-by-step instructions for execution. Test data, input values required for the test. Expected result, what should happen after execution. Actual result, fill this after test execution. Status, pass/fail. Comments, any observations or notes. A clear template saves time, improves quality, and maintains consistency across the project. Let's understand how to calculate key testing metrics. Total test cases. This is the complete number of test cases designed for the project or module. It represents the full testing scope. Use Counta Excel formula to find the total count. Next is total passed. This value represents the number of test cases that executed successfully and produced the expected results without any issues. In Excel, you can automatically calculate this by using the COUNTIF formula, which counts all test cases marked as pass. This helps track overall test stability quickly and accurately. Total failed the number of test cases that did not meet the expected results during execution. These failures help identify defects, gaps in functionality, or unexpected system behavior. Tracking failures is an important step in improving product quality and reducing risks before release. In Excel, you can calculate by using the COUNTIF formula. Let's understand test coverage percentage. Test coverage tells us how much of our planned testing has actually been completed. To calculate it, we divide the number of executed test cases by the total number of test cases, and then multiply the result by 100. The formula is executed test cases divided by total test cases times 100. A higher coverage percentage means you've executed more of your planned tests, giving you better visibility into product quality. Pass percentage is one of the most important metrics in software testing. It tells you how successful your test execution has been. To calculate it, take the number of passed test cases, divide it by the total number of executed test cases, and then multiply the result by 100. This percentage helps you understand how stable the application is. A higher pass percentage usually indicates that most features are working correctly, with fewer defects found. Fail percentage tells us how many executed test cases did not meet the expected results. To calculate it, we use the formula failed test cases divided by executed test cases multiplied by 100. This metric is important because it highlights risk areas in the application, shows where defects are concentrated, and helps the team prioritize fixes. A higher fail percentage means the application needs more attention, while a lower percentage indicates better stability and quality. These simple metrics help you measure testing progress and overall product quality. When you track total test cases, passed tests, and failed tests, you get a clear picture of how stable your application is. Test coverage shows how much of your planned testing has been executed, while pass and fail percentages highlight the overall health of the build. By reviewing these numbers regularly, teams can identify risks early, improve accuracy, and deliver better quality releases.